Hi, what you see here is Lineage OS running on Android N2 device. Android N2 is a quad-core ARM CPU and we use it as our development platform. But once the software is released, it will run on any supported Android device. What I wanted to show here is a quick demo of 3D graphics running on VOLKSPC OS. This is a new feature that we implemented. So if you have an old rootfs, you can install our latest Debian rootfs and you will get this new feature. So this is ES2 gears. This is running about 380 FPS. This is based on MESA open source graphics stack, which is primarily used by all the open source distribution. Unfortunately, what you see here is software rendering because the GPU used on this device is a Mali GPU, which is a proprietary GPU, and MESA currently does not support it, or at least it is not in the Debian stable release that we are using. Hopefully in the future this will be fully hardware accelerated. So right now is running software rendering, but as you can see it runs about 380 FPS and it is reasonably good. And from a software perspective, we want to support all the APIs on Debian, and that's the reason we implemented this. So it's running about 35% CPU usage. It's probably using one of the cores of the quad-core CPU used in this SoC. But there's enough horsepower still left on this device. For example, you can still play a video stream. Without the frame rate coming down significantly. So one thing that you want to note here is the graphics is free running, and that's because we can always switch to Debian, and at this point, switch to Android, and at this point Debian desktop is not casted to the screen. So you still want the Debian application running, and it continues to run while we are showing the Android display, and then when we switch back, the Debian display is sent to the screen. So as you can see, it works quite well, and hopefully, like I said, future versions will support hardware rendering. Also, before I leave, I just wanted to show you the 2D graphics performance using GTK-perf, so you can compare against any other distribution running on the same device. It's taking about 4.91 seconds for 100 iterations of GTK-perf. Thank you very much.